The sub 200cc motorcycle segment has gotten really interesting over the last few years. With the entry of a lot of new and strong contenders, the competition has gotten fierce. However, most of these bikes are all about sporty looks and performance that has resulted in a lack of variety for the buyers. And that's what the new Yamaha FZX is here to change. With a neo-retro design and laid-back ergonomics, the FZX intends to carve a niche of its own. We have already done a detailed review of the FZX and you can watch it by clicking on the I button shown on top. For now, let's pitch it against the TVS Apache RTR 160-4V, a bike that is considered a benchmark in this segment. Why is that? Well, do watch our video review of the Apache 160 to find out. So without any further ado, let's see how the new FZX fares against the Apache RTR 160-4V. Starting with the Apache, sharp, aggressive and muscular are the words that can be associated with its design. There's a low-slung headlamp with a distinctive geometric shape, a sculpted fuel tank and a sleek tail. Although this styling is already quite old now, it still manages to catch people's attention on the road. But if attention is what you are really seeking, the Yamaha FZX will get you that in abundance. It sports a styling inspired by the Yamaha XSR 155 that's available in a few international markets. Lending it an old school look is a circular headlamp with metal side brackets, front fork gaiters, a teardrop shaped fuel tank and a chunky single piece seat. The blue colored version you see here looks particularly striking with a brown seat and white decals. Despite being more inclined towards the retro side of things, the FZX has an edge over the Apache in terms of features. The highlight of the bike is a negative LCD console that gets Bluetooth connectivity as an option. It works with Yamaha's Y-Connect smartphone app and gives notifications regarding missed calls, incoming calls, SMS and emails. One can also see a host of other information on the application. While the Apache 2 gets an LCD instrument cluster, it misses out on Bluetooth functionality. Another thing that the Apache is deprived of is a 12-volt charging socket that sits under the display on the FZ. On the flip side, the Apache employs the glide-through technology for a stress-free low-speed ride, something that's not available in the FZ. What's common in both bikes is the presence of an LED headlamp and tail lamp along with conventional turn indicators. While the FZX is cosmetically new, it is mechanically similar to the older FZ FI. That means it is powered by the same 149cc air-cooled 2-valve engine that churns out 12.2 bhp of power and 13.3 Nm of peak torque. When it comes to performance numbers, the Apache 160 outdoes most of its rivals by a significant margin, including the FZ. The 159.7cc oil-cooled 4-valve engine of the Apache churns out 17.40 bhp and 14.73 Nm. Both of them get a 5-speed gearbox. While both these engines are fairly smooth and refined, the Apache feels livelier, quicker and revs more freely. A majority of hardware is identical on both bikes except for the chassis. While the FZX is based on a single down tube frame, the Apache is underpinned by a double cradle unit. As for the commonalities, both of them ride on 17-inch alloy wheels with telescopic forks at the front and a monoshock at the rear. While braking is handled by a disc at both ends, the Apache is available in a single disc brake variant. There's a difference in the fuel tank capacity though. While the Apache incorporates a 12-liter fuel tank, the FZX makes do with a smaller 10-liter unit. Coming to the pricing, TVS has priced the single disc variant of the Apache at Rs 1.11 lakh and the dual disc trim cost Rs 1.14 lakh, whereas the Yamaha FZX is pricier at Rs 1.17 lakh. And if you opt for the Bluetooth connectivity variant, the FZ goes up to Rs 1.20 lakh. To conclude it all, may it be the engine character, handling dynamics or the design, the TVS Apache RTR 160-4V is much sportier than the Yamaha FZX in almost every aspect. However, if you want to stand out of the crowd with a distinctive retro-inspired design and a relaxed riding experience, the FZX delivers on these fronts.